How to put YouTube in dark mode. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can put the YouTube into the dark mode. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, just go to the YouTube website or open the YouTube app on your device and sign in, and make sure that you are signed into your YouTube account. After that, click on the profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A drop down menu will appear. So after that, you will have to tap right here on the setting gear, and after that you will have to tap on the three dots, and after that tap on the settings. Now after that, you will have to change the appearance in the general tab. Navigate to the general tab within the setting menu and look for the general tab. You can see the general tab, and after that you will have to change the appearance in the general tab. Find the options labeled appearance and click on it to see three options, and you will have to see the appearance, so you can have to tap right here, and after that you can see the three options: use device theme, dark theme, and the light theme. So we'll have to tap right here on the dark theme. So select the dark theme option to change your YouTube background to black, and which is ideal for nighttime use or as respite from the usual bright white theme. The dark mode on the YouTube provides a soothing alternative that reduces eye strain and makes for a more comfortable viewing experience. Keep that in mind that device theme option will match your YouTube theme with the current theme on your device. So if your phone or the computer is set to a dark theme, YouTube will automatically switch to the dark mode and vice versa. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.